First, I painted the background using crimson red acrylic paint, covering the whole canvas evenly. Next, I added the shadow of the cup using a dark brown shade to give depth. Then, I painted the coffee inside the cup. Blending in a few lighter tones to create a soft shading effect. Finally, I painted the cup with white acrylic paint, outlining it neatly to make it stand out. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple painting ideas.